We got a big job this morning. Well, it's not a big job. No, it is a big job. Basically, if you own a skid steer, you'll always have punctures. We actually haven't had a puncture for ages on this, but this back left is deciding to go down, and I always usually keep a spare, but in the midst of everything that was going on a few months back, I just took the one off that went down and just left it, and I haven't done it, so I've now got to do it. So this is the current state of play. We have got this tyre changing machine from the 1950s before Christ. Let me just sit you up here so you can see what is happening. So this here is the posi. I can't tell you the mixture, it's secret. If I told you the mixture, then I'd probably put tyre places out of business, because they would all want to come here. Now I understand what you're thinking when you're looking. You're thinking, why did they concrete the tyre changing machine so close to a wall? It needs to be out in the middle of nowhere, which I completely understand. I have asked this question many times. So anyway, it's all about working the rubber. Be nice to one day get a tyre machine that's a lot easier, because I don't know if you can see, but I'm not actually out of breath whatsoever. I've just morning exercises, that's all. Morning exercises. Some people go to the gym, some people change Bobcats tyres. I'm not even knackered. Not even knackered. Might just put a little bit more posi on. Again, can't tell you what it is. Might be, well, no, I'm not going to tell you. I might tell you one day. I might tell you by the end of the video. Depends how generous I feel. I've done that, look. That was easy. Surely I haven't got to break the other side as well. Why would I need to? Because I just want to pull the valve out. Because that would just be stupid. I'll break it. Break the bead, see what happens. This is all the equipment that you require. Perhaps I've just got to break the bead this side. It's got to make a little bit of noise. I'll show you. Look. There we go. By Joe, I think you've done it, Andrew. People now, this is not the job you want to be doing on a Friday morning. You'll go to like tyre companies and they just have pussy little mini tyres. They're not like us men. That should actually pull up now to allow me to get that valve out. Right, so this tube has got a puncture in it. I've let most of the air out. There's still a little bit of air in there. As you can see, it's quite an easy job. nothing hard about it whatsoever. I'm not even breathing heavy. Tell you what, you can change a bobcat tyre on your own with a machine that was made before Jesus rolled the stone back. Then I think you've made it in life. Ah, shit the bed. See? One tube. Now what we do is we put the valve back in, pump it up with air, put it in the water tank and find out where the hole is. I found the hole in the tube. You know what? I've bloody forgotten that thing that takes the valves out. I've done 4,000 steps already this morning. Big meeting going on in here. The boss and the other boss. Sod it, I've turned that round and didn't mark where the hole was. Oh, it's there, you can't miss it.
So who knows?
Here, I had a message last night, Colin.
Yeah.
We got to take 30 bags to the hub.
Right.
So I thought you'd like
Janet
that.
wants 60.
60 what? Bags?
Yeah.
60 bags?
Yeah, I said we're doing
What, she wants £210 worth of logs?
so I said we're doing in 2 lots. Oh, she don't want it. She's not desperate.
60 bags?
Before it goes up.
Look, here's the hole.
That's what she told Andrew,
See?
Colin, before it goes up.
Get it fixed. One puncture repaired, professionally repaired. The boss is still here, look.
Not the boss.
She is the boss. She makes out she's not the boss. When the boss comes out, we will have to stand to attention and make sure everything's looking good. She's nodding her head saying yes, that's right. Right, got to pump this up, put it in the water, see if it leaks, put it back on, cut some logs, job done, go home for the weekend. Right, I allowed the tube, the glue and that to dry. It's been drying for a good couple of hours. We are now into merchandise. That says Uckham Lads on the back. There. The only way is up, the only way is Uckham. Huge thanks to Stephen and Tracy, members of my family, for getting us the shirts. Really appreciate it. Any donations, anybody wants to donate to the Uckham Lads cause, feel free to do so. You know, if you want to send us perhaps a new mini digger, anything will be greatly accepted. I have now reached the stage of putting the valve back in. This is what takes the valves out, but when you put it back in, you want it so that the valve itself goes back in and doesn't come out. So this isn't actually easy, but man of my talent. The trouble is, I've got to hold that, pull that back like that. On it. I hope that doesn't trap my hand. And somehow.
Still working.
What's still working? No. See, you can't see what I've just achieved, but let me tell you now, it was impressive. Right, now I just got to get the tube back in the tyre. So, the only way I really know is to just somehow work it round. Obviously, if there's any tyre companies that think, Christ, he's bloody good considering the equipment he's using, and I'd like to thank you for your whatever the word is. But anyway, look, screen went fuzzy then, don't know what was wrong. Tubed in, now I've just got to get that around the rim, which is the nightmare. So you can join me on this journey, because this is going to be something else. This first, slot that on that rim. You will not do it without lubrication. Now, I'm told this tool here, you should be able to do everything with this tool here. Everything. Right? So, here goes nothing. Hook that in there. And that ain't going to do nothing, because I think I've got that the wrong way around. This bit goes down first. And then, come on Andrew, think a minute here. It goes like that. So that hooks around, push this down, get that in play. The best place possible. Come on Andrew, don't let the fans down. I want to see you do it. The tune in, close. Right, haven't quite succeeded yet, but I'm getting there. I'm getting there. Now what I need to do, if I lift that up, if I was to lift that up and push that in, you'd be laughing right now. Because I need to get this bit in first. Which is hence why it's not going in. It'll have to be two. Should have done that at the start. Right, more posi. Just got to make sure you keep the weight on this bit that's already in. Right. I hope that the tyre is held in position. Keep that pushed down. On we go. Oh, you bastards, come out. Ready for this? And just hope that in there you're not eating the tube. I know what you're all thinking. I know. You're all thinking that looks hard work. You went wrong, it is. Important to remember to always have a breather and put some more posi on it. Posi where it's required. Posi where it's required. I'm actually bending this bolt. I know you're all amazed. Don't get me wrong. I know it looks like a struggle. Don't get me wrong, it is a struggle. Saw a pair of punches on a bobcat. I can promise you. It is nearly there. You see that? Close.
you get on?
Hard. And I've got it on film from all to see. Hard, Colin.
You don't want an assistant.
Well, I can't get that bit over there now.
I do.
What? Need assistance?
Yeah, I can't get a screw in.
What screw?
That bloody...
I'm going to fling back in it. Is it? No, not having it. Does your one push anymore? You really got to push it. You got to put a lot of weight on it and hope that it don't fling back and hit you.
Don't.
Ow! What's wrong with that? I swear I just got electric shock off of that. Now we can do the flab hammer.
Can't get that out now.
No, you will do once I hit it. That's how it's done. One tyre, put on, really easy. Always so much to do, always so little time, but we keep plodding on. Difficult to get the footage at the moment, so many things are happening, but we're slowly catching up with different jobs. Griff's been planting some runner beans. But the sun is shining, ladies and gentlemen. The logs have slowed right down, but we need to keep on top to make sure we get in front. So yeah, that's pretty much is what it is. I'm just going to start the dumper and take it at the top, clear up the shed that we knocked down, and yeah, see how we get on. But you know, sorry for the lack of decent footage. I hope this video was all right for you. Not that I know what's in it yet, probably the tyre changing part, but I might put moving the caravan in it, but that may be part one of the annex move, a different thing altogether. But I need to get the videos out and the videos done. But we're getting there. Still hard, things are still hard at the moment, but we're getting there. So that's where we're at. It's old Colin walking down there. Remember, just keep plodding on. Never let your chin drop. Remember, the only way is up. The only way, the only possible way is Acom. See you all soon.